the favorite La Cienega Abasta. Gates open, they're up and racing. La Cienega moving up, Extreme Connection, Prince Dugo by the rail, Brown Baby, Reporter is on the outside, then followed by entry number 5, Fly, Aday Fly, Basta, running alongside his entry number 6, and that's by Filipino as they race at a half-mile pole. This one, Extreme Connection, leading the field by about 4 lengths. Prince Dugo in second by the rail, La Cienega. Moving up on the outside is Reporter, Brown Baby. Fly, Aday Fly, Basta. In fairness, and by Filipino as they race at a final corner. The Extreme Connection, Prince Dugo moving up on the outside together with the Reporter. La Cienega making room by the rail to take the lead. La Cienega takes the lead by the rail, moving up on the outside. Reporter, Prince Dugo, and down the stretch they come. La Cienega, Reporter is on the outside. Basta down on the inside, and finally La Cienega second. Reporter, Abasta, in fairness, Prince Dugo for your Pentafecta.